Look at the surroundings. Here is very crowded and there are many tourists coming to this island for tour and relaxation every single day. This is a path leading from the pier to the main island, and now I'm walking at the main island. A good recommendation for hotel is the Phi Phi Hotel. One night for double room is about 2,000 baht onwards, and include free breakfast and a free pool also. And this will be the beach area where I recommend to have a suntan, hanging out and watching the ships around the Tonsai Bay. It's very beautiful here, and you can spend the whole day, afternoon relaxing at the beach. This will be the scenery and surroundings. You can take a look. You have a slow look now. Look at the houses. They are such beautiful with unique shapes and features. The water is green. That is why many tourists come here, because of the beautiful beach. It's well known as the most beautiful beach in Thailand. There are many boats here also. Most famous will be the long tail boat, which is a very long boat with a long tail. And now you can see the tides and the waves of the currents. Wow, now it's really strong. And there's a joy in watching these waves, and you can feel yourself relaxing and not worrying about anything as you look at the sea, the beach and the sky. And now we see a long tail boat arriving the shore. I recommend a beautiful place to stay. There will be the Phi Phi Nice Beach Resort. One night double room is about $40 and it's directly connected to the Long Beach and short distance away from Koh Phi Phi viewpoint. There's also an in-house restaurant to conveniently serve the dining needs of travelers. Here we can see many tourists sunbathing and relaxing at the beach here. There are also many boats which have arrived on shore. Next will be my favorite dessert, the coconut ice cream. Now we have the vendor, the lady who is selling the coconut, making the coconut ice cream. Well, she's taking some ice cream out and putting it on top of the coconut. After that, she puts some topping, and the next step will be she puts on another dessert, the mango. Alright. Following, she puts some peanut and some other toppings on top, and finally with a chocolate sauce, and there will be a beautiful small umbrella. Wow, look at this. It's really cute, isn't it? Wow. Now it's a completed dessert, the coconut ice cream, which is very special here in Koh Phi Phi Island. Everyone should come and try. Wow. Also at this beach, you can have a nice walk and take a look at the different items and artifacts sold by the vendors, and have a good drink or even some dessert nearby at the restaurants, or even stroll along this relaxing beach area. Just have a look at the local handicrafts, artifacts and local culture. There are hats, sandals, slippers and bags for sale, and there are even sun tanning creams, t-shirts and so on. This group of people is attending a course on basic dive and snorkeling. This is the equipment and the vest. Now I'm going to a good view spot to view the ships and the scenery from Koh Phi Phi. You can see many tourists now returning to a boat after a few hours in the sun, exploring Phi Phi Island. These are the tourist boats which come to Phi Phi every day. There are really many boats coming in and out of Phi Phi Island daily. Next, we can see many long-tail boats, beautiful boats here. I can count at least 50 to 60 boats here on the beach. How about you guys? How many boats can you count here? Well, it's common to see many travelers, guy travelers, not wearing shirt and just carrying a backpack, as the weather is very hot here, about 35 degrees, and it's advisable to just wear loose clothing and not so tight clothing because it's really hot here. And I'm back to the hotel for a short time. My hotel is very near to the pier. It's about 150 meters walk or 3 minutes walk from the downside pier to my hotel. And now will be the night time in Phi Phi Island. You can see many vendors selling their stuff again. Well, we have the clothes, local artifacts, even the keys, shirts, clothes, trousers, sandals, slippers, and even umbrellas here, as well as some local dessert shops. There are really many travelers here, and you will not be feeling lonely even if you travel alone as a backpacker. The overhanging lights remind me of Hoi An in Vietnam, where there are overhanging lanterns. They are beautiful also. Now on the left side, you can see the spirit house. It's actually common in Thailand, seen outside most houses and businesses. It's actually a dedicated structure to honor the guardians of the land and to protect them from any wayward spirits. You can also see some seafood being sold here. As we keep walking, we see restaurants and you'll never be hungry. You can really choose, so many restaurants to choose from. Just pick and choose or see which area has the most customers. There's an indication that the food is delicious there. Many couples come here to relax and spend their day on the beach, and during the day and then at the night they go for some nice dinner and a show in this Phi Phi Island.